I mean, I saw that there were a lot of news about one particular vessel, but we are buying from various sources including Russia. So, I mean, I don't why it should become such a big news. LPG हम सभी जगह से हम खरीदने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं जहां उपलब्ध है। तो अगर उसमें रशिया उपलब्ध होगा तो वहां भी जाएंगे, क्योंकि स्थिति इस प्रकार की है अभी कि हमको सुनिश्चित ये करना है कि हमारे लोग का जो ईंधन का जो उनकी ज़रूरतें हैं उनकी वो पूरा हो। On William, on energy supply, yes, it has been a matter of concern. As you know, that energy shipping routes have been impacted. On ours here in India, the Ministry of Petroleum, every day we have daily press briefing on this particular aspect. LPG supply of LPG is a matter of concern. Therefore, we are prioritizing domestic consumption, domestic consumers first. Their needs will be taken care of, and then we'll see how we deal with the way how we supply LPG to commercial establishments. But that is a matter of concern because of shortage of supply. We had 2 tankers which came in recently. Those 2 tankers have given us more supply in the pipeline, and hopefully we'll have we are also trying to diversify our sources, looking for LPG supply from other parts of the world. So hopefully we are at it, we are working, and we'll do our best to secure our energy security needs. Megha, we buy oil from across the world, so if there are tankers coming from X part of the world or Y part of the world, it is normal. We'll have many more tankers coming because we are buying energy. We are buying oil, we are buying crude oil from various parts of the world, and we have a diversified diversified option in this regard, and this will continue. I mean, I saw that there were a lot of news about one particular vessel, but we are buying from various sources including Russia. So, I mean, I don't why it should become such a big news. There are several vessels which will be docking, and it's a continuous process. गैस की बात, क्या हम रशिया से एलपीजी खरीद रहे हैं? एलपीजी हम सभी जगह से हम खरीदने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं जहां उपलब्ध है। तो अगर उसमें रशिया उपलब्ध होगा तो वहां भी जाएंगे, क्योंकि स्थिति इस प्रकार की है अभी कि हमको सुनिश्चित ये करना है कि हमारे लोग का जो ईंधन का जो उनकी ज़रूरतें हैं उनकी वो पूरा हो। किन किन देशों से कर रहे हैं मैं ये बता सकता हूं कि बहुत सारे देशों से कर रहे हैं। अब उसमें कौन कौन सा देश है वो ब्यौरा हमारे पास नहीं है। ये इन सब जानकारी के लिए मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ पेट्रोलियम आपको ज़्यादा बेहतर बता पाएगा, लेकिन मैं ये कह सकता हूं कि हम लोग चाह रहे हैं कि हमारे विकल्प बहुत सारे हों।